Welcome to Dub Turbo 2.0, today's hottest beatmaker for Mac, PC, and online remote use. You're about to learn how to make the best beats in any genre you want in a small amount of time using a powerful and affordable software. We initially built this as an introductory tool for people getting into beat production on a small scale. Since then, we've outgrown our own vision, and Dub Turbo has quickly become a mini powerhouse in the beat production space. Why? What used to cost thousands, meaning a supercomputer, big name DAW software, VSTs, Pro Sound Card, MIDI interface and keyboard, samples and kits, monitors, a mixer, wires, and more is now all available for less than the cost of just one average royalty-free beat for kit. Let's go over some of the features and improvements in version 2.0. The sequencer is yet again even sleeker. The audio performance has just been improved. And of course, the look and navigation have been overhauled, so you can make your bangers even faster. You can now drag and copy multiple bars at a time. You could even copy bars vertically to a new instrument or keyboard layer first to double up on drums or melodies. This speeds up your workflow like crazy. Let's take a look at each of the main music production panels. First up is our badass drum machine, which is pretty much a whole beat maker to itself. This panel has also been overhauled, so you can work your way around the bars and samples easier and create some intense change-ups quick. Kit choices are now easy to navigate on the left and are abundant with over 2,400 sounds in total, and 1,400 of them being separate drums, sound effects, boxes, instruments, custom vocals, and more. You can also preview sounds now either on the pads, with your keyboard you type on, or just to the left of each layer as a reminder. Pretty good so far, right? By the way, this is all broadcast quality, 44.1 stereo.wave, and nothing less. No MP3s, no exporting to MP3s. We only use and recommend top quality samples and final master mix downs. On to our 4-octave keyboard component. The studio was full of talent for a while, as we all sang, beatboxed, squeaked, rapped, played instruments, and did what artists do best to make wicked sample kits. You'll find everything from instruments to human voxes to chorded riffs and more. This panel has also been totally revamped in order to improve your navigation, sample selection, note placement, and correction. Importing your own sounds into the drum machine or keyboard is not a problem for Dub Turbo either, enabling you with unlimited room to make unique bangers every single time you use it. We also utilize the keyboard you type on to enable you to bang out beats and melodies like you're on a real MPC for your drums or a real synth for your keyboard. You're going to learn how to play the piano keys, structure proper bars, edit, mix, and master. Learn chords, melody creation, beat patterns, chorus riffs, bridge placements, intros, outros, gap builds, bass lines, box effect use, and so much more. You'll learn how to create any genre of music your heart desires on the fly. It's literally the fastest way to go from the idea that's playing in your brain to the bass-thumping, polished beats that pump through those speakers. But best of all, you'll learn how to do this extremely fast too. No more boring theory classes. You'll follow along in our video tutorials and do exactly what we do. By the time you finish your first or second beat tutorial, which are only 5 or 10 minutes each, you'll be truly amazed at how easy, how professional, and how awesome Dub Turbo really makes your music sound, no matter what experience level you're at. Dub Turbo 2.0.